Gambling is mostly a lose situation, alright? Don't try and do the same thing I did. I'm a stubborn idiot, and I just kept grinding the case and got lucky.
He needs to unbox the best item for me to win. Please, please, please. Come on, Mercedes-Benz. Do what? Oh, yes, boys! Woohoo! Yeah, I got that speed bastard.
Don't know what's good. Don't know. Just hopefully we get like a 95 ticket and we get 100K. But that's not good.
That's the bad boy.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Wait, I thought that was the bad boy.
I gotta be able to win one battle with my own pulls, right? Like, there's no way. There's no way the bot is just... That's good. Okay, that's a hit for me. Nice. Like 10K. Yeah. Okay. Please let me just win, bro. Bot pulls 70K in this. Oh! No, don't go down. No. What the fuck? What? Is that good? Oh! Oh my god, please let me win. Please let me win. Please let me win. No, don't be good. Don't be good. Don't be good. No fucking way! No fucking way! No. Yes! That's you! 42 grand! 42! Oh my god! Don't do it! Don't do it! Let's go! 42,000 euro, baby!
Oh man, we're down. What's that? Oh yeah, in the middle. Just give me a good lead right here going into the sandwich case. I don't know what that is. Oh, we're down. Please. If I lose this battle by 173. Uh-oh. Oh, yes, baby! Oh my god, I didn't know what was it. Yes!